Hi guys, this is Adnan Hasbi, and I'd like to welcome you to another episode of Random Thoughts. I guess in this small and short episode, I just wanted to show you a little view which I'm looking at while staycationing. And you can see the cars passing by, you can see all the lights at the top of every building. It's kind of blinking. And I think by looking at all the cars, it made me think that we humans are always on the go. The question is whether we are moving towards our goals or moving around in circles. I think in the year 2020, a lot of us had to move in a different direction or different path. Some people were a bit nervous, and some people were really excited for the new change, and some people they managed to see opportunity in all the chaos. But I think only with knowledge we can actually move towards a place where we can move, I guess, to some level of certainty. And when I guess with all the knowledge over in the internet, when we learn and relearn and become a better version of ourselves, we take better action, and by taking better action, we get better results. So, yeah, I just wanted to share with you guys this random thought, and it's so cool just looking at how Kuala Lumpur at night and looking at everyone just with their headlights on, just driving around and getting to their destination. So I hope 2020 and 2021 we will, all reach towards the destination that we are kind of focusing for. And with that, wish you guys good evening, and I hope to see you guys in the next episode.